Hi, how's it going? This video is going to be about the new Tascam TH-07 headphones. I actually just won these off Facebook, so I decided I would take the opportunity to review these brand new headphones. These were just released. They're designed for monitors, they say, high definition monitor headphones, and for mixing as well. So I'm going to test that out. There's no way for you guys to hear this, so you'll have to take my word on it. It seems they do a really good job. It seems very transparent. There's two things that I would maybe mention about this. Nothing major, but two things that would really kind of just improve this just another notch. In fact, all their headphones, I think. I will get to that in a minute. So let's take a look at what we got. Inside there's comes with two cables. They're detachable, both wires. They click into the left side, and they lock into place. Here you could see a sliding lock mechanism. Here's the headphones right here. They flip around, as you can see, both sides. Here we have our extension cable. It's not as long as the other one, but it keeps it from getting tangled in whatever kind of work you're doing. It stretches, I think it's like 6 feet or so. It stretches, and that's good for if you're kind of close up. Otherwise it starts pulling on the headphones if you're too far away. There you go. The next one is longer cable. I think this is about 9 feet, so you can go a little bit further, and there's no pulling on the headphones, so it's a little bit more comfortable to wear. As you can see, it's pretty long. I throw this across my room, wind it back up. It almost seems a little longer than 9 feet. Maybe like a 12 foot. But as you can see, they all have the twistable screw-on 1/4 inch on the end. Gold connector that it comes with. And the back side here, this is where it screws into the headphone. So you kind of stick it in. I'm not sure if you could see this here. But right on here, there's like a sliding divot that just slides into the headphones the correct way. So only this one's going to work. Right here. Right? You take that and you slide it into headphone piece. The left side, that's where the input is. There you go, nice and snug. It locks into place, you just twist it. Perfect. Untwist it to pull it out. Everything kind of goes in the bag, but the bag does seem a little tight. I could have made it a little bit bigger or come with a harder case there. Even just a little bit bigger would have helped with the dust. But watch this. I'll move the wires. I'll still fold it in a bit, unless there's some sort of technique I don't know or they don't show. But it does add a little bit of pressure onto the headphones here. So I feel a little iffy on that. And maybe you might want to put the wires in after the headphones. Make it easier, but there you go. Right in the bag. Pretty cool bag, but just a little bit bigger would have been nice. There you go. That's what it contains. They seem pretty sturdy. They fit on the head pretty nicely. There's not too much pressure. You can wear them for a while. However, when you do put them on, and if you are looking to sing or perform in these things, you'll notice as you wear them, you'll open your jaw and it kind of pushes in on it, making it uncomfortable. And it kind of does that on both sides. Thought of a solution for that. Now, you could either take the headphones and see them. They kind of come a little oval shaped, hard to tell, but if you take them and twist them, you can kind of turn them sideways and helps a little bit, but when you still sing or open your mouth wide, you'll still notice in the pushing against your jaw, pinching it a bit and making it very uncomfortable. Definitely not comfortable to sing too long in these things. However, if they did make a little cutaway, as here, just kind of cut away a little bit where their jaw is, just a tiny bit, and I think it would help. The other thing was how convenient it would be for monitor and mixing headphones if each pair of headphones had a stereo output on the opposite, if they had it on the right side, so you can just link another pair and just split the exact mix and hear exactly what the mixer is mixing, and in case you only have one headphone out, you can still use it. I kind of think all Tascam headphones should have that. All headphones in general, but it would be a really neat thing for Tascam to do. Because there are so many devices that just have one headphone out. And to link two of them together and still hear the same mix would be awesome. So yeah, pretty cool. Plan to make a lot more in-depth videos. A lot of ideas from live shows and concerts I've done. Big names to repairing. I want to do a whole line of Porta Studio, multi-track recorders, going for each model. I've got a lot of ideas and a lot of things I want to get out. So please help, like, and share if you can. And see you soon.